Okay, so we are in our first module, and yesterday we saw, in the last class, we saw some of the properties of fluid. What is mass density, what is weight density, what is specific volume, and what is the specific gravity of fluid. So today we are going to solve a few problems based on the properties what we have studied in the last class. So the first problem is, okay, so the first problem number 1 is, you are asked to calculate, so calculate the specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of a liquid which weighs 7 Newton. So it is given us, we are going for our solution, it is given as the weight of the fluid, weight of the liquid is given as 7 Newton. And we know volume is given as 1 liter. If the volume is 1 liter, that is nothing but 1 by 1000 meter cube. Converting liter to meter cube, we get 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. Now, so first we need to find, first part we need to find the specific weight. So specific weight is represented by omega. So it is nothing but weight of the fluid divided by volume of fluid. So we know the weight is 7 Newton divided by the volume is 1 by 1000. So we get 7000 Newton per meter cube. So this is the specific weight. Now we will go for the density, the second part, that is, okay, now we will solve the second part. So second part is to find the density. So density is nothing but, if it is given as density, it is nothing but the mass density. So it is represented as rho. So we know mass density is mass by volume. So mass, we know weight is equal to mass into gravity. So mass is equal to weight divided by gravity. So mass is weight divided by gravity into volume. We already know what is W by V, that is what is the weight density or specific weight. So the value for specific weight is 7000. So 7000 divided by the value for G is 9.81. So we get 713.5 kilogram per meter cube. Now we will find the third part. We are going to solve the third part. So third part is specific gravity. We need to find what is specific gravity of the given liquid. So it is represented by S. We know specific gravity is equal to the density of the given liquid divided by density of the standard liquid. So here standard liquid is taken as water. If standard liquid is not given, you can take the standard liquid as water. Now we know the mass density of the given liquid is 713.5, whereas the mass density of water, we know it as 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So here the unit is kilogram per meter cube, kilogram per meter cube. So For specific gravity, we don't have any unit. It is dimensionless quantity, and the value is 0.7135. So now we will move on to the next. We will go for the next problem, that is problem number 2. So second problem is calculate, I'll write the question, calculate the mass density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter of petrol of specific gravity 0.7. Now we will go for the solution. It is given that the specific gravity S is given as 0.7. We know specific gravity is equal to mass density of the liquid divided by mass density of water. So here it is petrol. The liquid is taken as petrol, and mass density, the value is 1000 kilogram per meter cube, and from which we get density of petrol is equal to 0.7 into 1000. We get 700 kilogram per meter cube. Now, so first part is over, mass density is over. Next is specific weight. So we know the specific weight is represented by omega, that is nothing but weight by volume. So we know weight by volume. Weight is nothing but mass into acceleration due to gravity divided by volume. And this mass by volume is nothing but rho. So mass density into acceleration due to gravity. So we know this rho is equal to 700 multiplied by gravity is 9.81. So we get 6867 Newton per meter cube. Now we need to find the weight of petrol. So what is weight of petrol? See, again we will take the same relation, this relation, that is omega is equal to W by V. We need to find the weight. W, weight is equal to specific weight multiplied by volume. So specific weight is 6867 multiplied by volume is 1 liter. So when you convert 1 liter to meter cube, we get 6867 into 1 liter is 1 by 1000 meter cube. So we get 6.86 Newton. So only 2 problems for today. In the next class we will see about the next property of fluid, that is viscosity of fluid. Thank you.